First, go to Excel and from cell A2 list your tasks. For example, wake up and make a bed, brush my teeth, morning workout, eat breakfast, checking emails, and you can add as much activities you want, but for me it is enough. After that, go to a separate sheet and select a cell where you want your drop-down will appear. Then go to Data ribbon and click on that, and after that go to Data Tools and click on Data Validation. After clicking on Data Validation, you will see the option called Allow and change it to List. From the drop-down after that you will see the source, which is empty box. Then click on the box one time and go to the previous sheet where your list activities found and select them and click OK. Now you have it. And you can adjust it as you want and make it more appealing and engaging by changing its background like this. If you want more tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment if you want to learn any specific topic about Excel, and I will make a video on it.